And yes, this morning we once again have Arthur, the friendly dog, having breakfast. Swaddy Cup, and welcome to today's video and welcome to the tent. So it's Tuesday the 29th of October. Sib Ed Yesib song 11:22. And I want to quickly cover the last couple of days, Sunday and Monday. We've just seen some footage of the animals at the tent. I believe we have Bruce behind us at the moment. Bruce is the big dog. Now Bruce and his little brother Shorthouse, last long night, Tommy, who lives in the tent, stays in the tent every night, he has run up a tree, or different trees. The tree behind me, on the video, I believe you will have just seen that, and then he's run up this tree, a little way. He's okay up here. However, yesterday, Monday, he ran up a big tree there. Don't have that on film. And he was very high up, extremely high, very high, and he seemed scared up there. He came down, dogs at the bottom, he started to come down. I leant over, because on the other side of the fence, and I got him. Didn't want to let go, and got him, managed to get him, and then eventually he did let go, and he was still clawing, he was very scared, and then he gripped onto me, hasn't scratched, yes, he gripped onto me just here, he was very scared, and then like a little ball of fur, scared, and I carried him. Lek came up, because I had called Lek to ask what to do, because I am just learning in a way the animals. I want them all to get on. And Bruce is very nice, however I don't believe I'll be feeding Bruce and Shorthouse anymore. The last meal would have been yesterday from me, because other people are feeding them meat, for example, near the kitchen, the main kitchen. So there's no need for them to get dog food from me. I will feed Arthur, the white dog, the white smiley friendly dog, because he seems to be more considerate towards Tommy. Sorry, so many names, it's hard to remember them. I will show you Bruce behind me. Let's do that. Now, Bruce is who Tommy is most scared of. You see, Tommy could easily claw one of them, and if he gets them angry, because it's his reaction, Tommy's reaction, that they're going off. And when they first come over, they're just looking at Tommy, But then Tommy gets, obviously he's defending his area, so he raises his back, his fur goes up, his claws come out, his teeth are sharp, and he makes noises, growls a bit. So that sets the dogs off. They start, well, Shorthouse made a little sound to bark. However, they're very well behaved. They don't bark unnecessarily, and Bruce is extremely big. So yesterday it was Shorthouse that Tommy was kind of snarling at, and then Bruce, they're basically both running after him. He went through a hole in the fence. Actually, I'll show you the hole. I'll show you the tree. And obviously if he's sat there, Bruce, he's dark dog, especially at night you can't see him. Tommy has white in his coat, so you can see Tommy, and he ran through, I believe it was this hole here. There's two actually, in some holes. I don't think it was this, I think he went through here, so I tried to grab him, he went through this little hole there, then Shorthouse couldn't fit through. However, Bruce, see the size now, height of him, he went round the green. Once he was on that side, up here you can see the length of this grass, see the grass moving, and suddenly Tommy went up this tree here, all the way up, up to, I'd say, up there. He was high up, didn't know what to do, he was falling. So I pulled out this, stepped on here, and I leant up and over, like this, and I got him from about here. He was going in between this and about here. I got hold of him and I managed to get him over because the dogs were down there, waiting. Even though they're smiling and playing games, game could easily end badly. See the size of Bruce. This is Bruce, and I've been feeding him dog food the last couple of days, so he's now around me. He's to follow me to the entrance and back. It's getting very scary for Tommy. I want them to get on together, Bruce and Tommy. However, I believe Bruce has been looked after by someone else. So, and Shorthouse. And they know not to hurt Tommy. Do not hurt Tommy. Look after Tommy, okay? Bruce, look after Tommy. But his bigger brother, so don't chase him up a tree because he could fall out of a tree and then he'll hurt himself. Okay, if you've been watching today, then please give us a like, a share and a subscribe, as it helps Breatharian Travels to grow. And I will see you all on the next video. Off and cap.